Hey guys, this is Dr. Zafar Khan, and in this video, I will tell you about the antihypertensive medicine that were used in the worldwide. So, watch the video till the end and you know about the antihypertensive medication. So, first of all, I will tell you about the ACE inhibitors. What is ACE inhibitors? ACE inhibitors are the angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors. ACE is an enzyme that will convert angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. And if it will convert in angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2, it will higher your blood pressure and it will cause a hypertension. So in ACE inhibitors, it will block the angiotensin 1 conversion into angiotensin 2. So the medicine that belongs to ACE inhibitors are captopril, lisinopril, and enalapril. Secondly, there are ARBs, we will call it angiotensin receptor blocker, that will block the angiotensin receptors. And the medicine include valsartan, irbesartan, and orbesartan. Third, there are beta blockers that are used in the hypertension therapies. So medicine include propranolol, labetalol, and metoprolol. The last one is calcium channel blockers. Calcium channel blocker is a medicine that will block the calcium channels. And the medicine includes the amlodipine and the nifedipine. These are the medications that will give you the therapy against hypertension and lower your blood pressure and will give you a strength to fight against the hypertension. So if you like this video, you can subscribe our channel and know more about the medical issues you are surviving from, and you can know much more about the medicines. Thank you.